Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I wanted to show you how I covered one of those little purple couches from the Dollar Tree. I'll bring one out in a minute. I forgot to set it up with the rest of this. I took some stretch mermaid sequins, and I did this one first. And what I did is I set it down and I cut it to where it dangled, and I knew it would cover each end and fold under. And then I started on the seat and I stretched that and pulled that with the hot glue gun. I put hot glue down. And then I did the top part here, and then I did each armrest, the front, and then I tucked it all under. Well, I think I did this next, and that's the fold over of the fabric for the couch, and then I tucked it on under. Yeah, I have spider webs. I always do when I use the hot glue gun. I like this. I like it a lot, and I've got Robin here. I like it because they sit on it well. They don't slide around. It's a good size, and it holds the Blythe dolls' heads really well, including the middies. So I took some of this stretch velvet. It's call it velour. It's more of a stretch crushed velvet. And I did the same thing on this one, but I left it a little longer so that I could tuck the entire piece under. And I'm going to tell you right now, it takes a lot of glue gun glue, and I'm hoping that I have enough to show you what I'm going to do next. This is the bottom of a tree, a Christmas tree, bottle brush Christmas tree that we bought for the Blythe doll house. And I didn't like this for the stump. You know, the tree stood up about this far off of it. So Darren cut this down, sanded this, and said, you know what, you could use that for a footrest. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to cover this and make a footrest for this couch. These are the little couches I'm talking about. They're hit and miss. If you don't find it the first time you go to your Dollar Tree or to 2 or 3 Dollar Trees, keep looking. They have these and then they don't for a while and then they have them again. As is, they make a great couch for a Blythe doll. Like I said, it's high enough that it supports the head, and you can use it as is. For our little footstool, I wanted a piece of, I need a round piece of fabric. So I wanted something that would cover all the way down and tuck under on this piece of wood. And I measured up some different bowls and saucers and such, mugs. And this is almost the right size, but it could be a little bit bigger just to be safe. So what I did is I laid this down and I cut around it larger. Is that a perfect circle? No, I don't think we need one. Okay, there are several opinions on how to do crafts, and you're going to find that every craft channel is different. I put my glue right on the piece itself, and then I stretch it that way, and then I'm going to stretch this way. And did I get it centered? No, but I'm still okay. All right, and then I'm going to do one side and then the other. I'm going to do this a little bit and pull this down tight and hold that a minute. And I'm holding that tight so that it looks nice when we're done. And then I'm just going to go all the way around and do that. As you go, you're going to have foldovers, and that's correct. And you can use anything. You could make a piece of this out of cardboard and use it. I want to show you how I'm folding that over just a little bit to take up that fabric as I go. And I'm pulling this all the way around, and I'm pulling it tight. I did cut a little bit off once I got it covered. And what we're going to do now is ever so often we're going to cut this, but not all the way down, just just so that we have some fold over. We're going to just do that every so inch or so. Nothing has to be precise with that. And that's just your fold over to make it easier rather than have it so puckered underneath. And then what we're going to do is take the glue at the edge to start, and we're pulling again. Pulling it up, pulling it tight, holding it there so that it dries with it tight. And we're going to do that all the way around, and then we'll glue these edges down. So I got that all tucked, and this is what it looks like on the other side. Let's see how it works with her feet up. Put her hair behind. Turn her around, and there she is. She has a footrest. And like I said, that was a piece of wood that would have normally been trash. I bought that fabric as a remnant in a fabric store, and this was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I don't think I paid $3, and I got about a third a yard, and it didn't take near that. Just a fun little craft, something for your Blythe, for whatever you want to use it for. Blythe house, diorama, or just sitting on your counter. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.